This guy uploaded only 50 videos, yet he has crossed over 300,000 subscribers. And when you see his monthly income, it will blow your mind. Take a look. He earns around 23K every single month. Now, the big question is, why is his RPM so high? Why is he making such massive income? There are 3 powerful reasons behind his success. The first reason is he is working in the educational niche. His videos are focused on education-based content. The second reason, he creates long-form videos, around 36 minutes or even longer. The longer the video, the more ads run, and naturally, the higher the RPM and revenue. He has already crossed 11 million total views. Now, what exactly is he doing? He is creating unique plant-based videos. For example, a video uploaded 2 months ago got 1.4 million views. Another one a month ago also got 1.4 million views. Then another reached 1.3 million views. He consistently creates different types of plant-related content. What kind of videos does he create? Examples: 20 indoor plants that are extremely easy to grow at home. 20 sprouts you can easily grow indoors. And what's inside these videos? Very simple, just images and some stock video clips. But don't worry, I will teach you how to create even better thumbnails and 35 to 40-minute long high-quality videos on similar topics. Before we move forward, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for knowledge and support, and don't forget to like the video. To create this type of content, I had to work really hard. I collected all the data from this channel and fed it into a chatbot to understand and generate a system. I created a complete master prompt, which you can find in the video description. When you open that link, you'll see a thumbnail at the top, and below it you'll find idea prompt and script prompt. But remember, prompts alone won't make great videos. You must understand the full process step by step. First, copy the idea prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Press enter and you'll get 15 video ideas. Examples include fruits that humans can no longer taste because they are extinct, plants that existed before dinosaurs. You'll see multiple powerful ideas. Choose the one you like. For example, idea number 7, crops that have vanished from human history. Type 7 in the prompt box and hit enter. Now you'll get a complete script of 30 to 35 minutes. I used 1,500 words for demonstration, but if you increase it to 3,500 words, you can create even longer videos. Now copy your script and go to Clipchamp on Google. Create an account using Gmail, click on Create Video, then go to Record and Create and select Text to Speech. Paste your script on the right side, choose a voice, and click Save. Your voiceover will start generating. You can also use Google AI Studio for the same process. Once done, click Export, then Audio Only, and download your voiceover. Now comes the most exciting part, visual creation. That guy uses only images, but we will create high-quality videos for free. Go back to the page and copy the Image plus Motion Prompt system. Paste it into ChatGPT below your script, and it will generate Scene 1 with image prompt and motion prompt, Scene 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Type Next to generate more scenes. Now copy the first image prompt and go to Meta AI. Click on Vibes, paste the prompt, select Images, choose 16 by 9 size, and hit Enter. You'll get 4 images. Now click Animate to convert images into videos. You can also use Custom Animate, paste the motion prompt, and generate advanced video clips. Repeat this process for all scenes. Now let's create high-quality thumbnails. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Write 3 detailed image prompts showing 3 different crops in one thumbnail." Copy any prompt and paste it in an image generator like Google Tools. Generate the image, upscale it to 2K, and download it. Now go to Canva, create a YouTube thumbnail, upload your image, and set it as background. Add a rectangle shape, reduce opacity, and place your title in 2 parts using bold fonts like Horizon. Adjust colors, yellow, white, etc., and your thumbnail is ready. Now combine everything. Add video clips on top, add voiceover and background music below, use YouTube Audio Library for music, export in high quality. If you start working consistently from today, you can achieve massive views and success. But remember, consistency is the key. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it with your friends.